Alright guys, as you see, we're down inside under the trees and we're looking for soil. Remember, I have a container garden series going on. Guys, stay tuned. You don't want to miss it out. You don't want to miss out on this journey. This journey is going to show you how nature works. And what I'm doing, I'm bringing the way nature works into the container. I already have part 1, part 2, part 3. I think this is part 4. Please stay tuned. So now let me show you how I'm getting my soil. I come and as you see, I scrape them off and then I come and I push it like this. This is actually some nice soil, as you can see there. This is some real rich soil right here. So guys, as you see, I'm showing you where I'm getting the soil. So now I'm going to show you next how I'm putting it in the container, preparing it for the soil. Alright, so hold on, don't go nowhere.